Since our founding 260 years ago, as the nation's first medical school, we've been focused on the future and the power of medicine to transform and save lives.
Thank you so much.
At Penn Medicine, science is a public service, fueled by vision, powered by partnership, and rooted in trust between our team and the people we serve across the nation and the world. Through federally funded research and public investment, we turn bold questions into real answers and real hope.
Yay!
Our teams were first to cure cancer with CAR T-cell therapy, programming patients' own cells to attack their cancer. First to use gene therapy to cure blindness. The minds whose work in the lab built the backbone for the vaccines that led the world out of the COVID pandemic, and made discoveries that are paving the way to hope for Alzheimer's disease. In our labs, hospitals, and clinics, we merge compassion with computation, technology with human touch, to deliver not just better care, but a stronger, healthier country. We're proud to serve Philadelphia, the nation's birthplace, but our mission is for every person, everywhere, whose lives are made better, longer, and healthier by science. Federal funding drives this progress, and continued support keeps America at the forefront of medical innovation. Because investing in health is investing in strength, in leadership, in the future.